In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a structure in Jira. If you need a clear, high-level view of your work across epics, stories, and subtasks, Jira structure can make that much easier. Instead of looking at isolated backlog items in separate places, you can create a hierarchy that shows how work is connected. In this walkthrough, we'll create a clean structure from scratch, bring issues in with automation, and confirm that everything is linked correctly before we finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site using your organization's Atlassian URL or the standard Atlassian login page. After your Jira homepage loads, go to the top navigation bar and look for Apps, or if Structure is already visible, select Structure directly. From there, choose the option to create a new structure. This opens the structure interface where we'll build the hierarchy. Once the setup window appears, choose Empty Structure. This gives you a blank canvas, which is ideal if you want full control over how the hierarchy is built. In the name field, enter a short, clear title for your structure. Make it descriptive enough that you can recognize it later at a glance, but keep it concise so it stays easy to read. When the name is ready, click Create to open your new structure. Now that the structure is open, we can start pulling in issues automatically. In the upper right area of the structure view, click Automation, then select Insert and choose JQL Query. This is the rule that allows Jira to bring in issues based on search criteria instead of requiring manual entry, which saves time and keeps the structure more consistent. In the query field, type the filter you want to use to define the top level of your hierarchy. For example, you might use a project-based filter combined with a specific issue type such as epics. Once the query is entered, press Enter or click Apply. Jira will process the query and add the matching issues into the structure. Next, go back to Automation and choose Extend. Then select Stories under Epics, or use the available parent-child linkage option in your environment. This step is what expands the hierarchy downward, so your related child items appear beneath the parent issues automatically. You should now see Expand and Collapse arrows next to those top-level items. Finally, review the hierarchy by opening several of the arrows and checking that stories, bugs, and subtasks are nested under the correct parents. This quick verification helps you catch any issues before moving on. Once your automation rules are active, the structure is saved and synchronized automatically in Jira. That's it. You've successfully built a structure in Jira, and now you have a much more organized way to track work across multiple levels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.